Hi guys, I'm gonna make some hand sanitizer quick for my purse, and I just want to show you how you can do it too and how easy it is. I have some 100% pure aloe vera gel. I got it from a local health food store here in town. I am using our On Guard Protective Blend, doTERRA's On Guard Protective Blend, which is very good at killing those nasty bugs and germs that we're trying to be away from. I'm also going to use a vitamin E tablet. I'm going to just poke it with a little tack and put it in right here. I'm just going to pop one of those in so that it helps your hands to not dry out. And a little bit of water. I use purified water for that. So what I'm going to do, first of all, is just take some of this gel, the aloe vera gel, and it calls for 4 tablespoons. You can eyeball it and estimate how much you want to put. Those. 3. 4. There. I already added 5 tablespoons of purified water to it. And then I'm going to put about 10 to 12 drops of On Guard inside of it. Perfect. There you go. Oh, the little vitamin E popped out with a little tack. Quick. Here we go. See this little vitamin E? You can get these anywhere. Pop it. Squeeze it in. This is good for keeping the hands soft. And I'm done. That's it. That's how fast. And there's no chemicals in it. That's the best part, you guys. You can squirt this on your body as many times as you want. Up until this summer, there has been a very toxic chemical that's been in hand sanitizers. It still is in a lot of the products that we use on a daily basis. But I'm glad that at least they were able to stop and put a ban on that. Still, I'm learning to make a lot of my own products. There's just too many chemicals and things. So I'll be doing more of these videos. If you want to know more, I'll put the recipe down in the comments. But yeah, message me if you have anything, any ideas or anything else you're interested in making, and I'll do what I can to make it for you. Okay, talk to you later. Have a great day, you guys.